In this video, I'm going to go over some of the basics regarding proper grounding of your ATM or kiosk. An electrical ground is an important part of the circuit powering your machine, both for safety and for the proper operation of the equipment. A bad ground can cause all sorts of problems, including random dispenser faults, card reader operation, and mainboard or PC trouble. It's also a potential safety issue for customers using the machine. When you're installing a machine into a new location, or if you're diagnosing a problem that doesn't seem to respond to normal troubleshooting, just keep these tips in mind as a possible source. Throughout the ATM or kiosk, you'll notice green or green and yellow grounding wires. These ensure that all of the components have a path to ground. However, all of these wires eventually connect to one point, which is the ground pin on the electrical cord. All of our machines require a grounded outlet. This means a three-prong plug. If the outlet you're trying to plug the machine into does not have a third hole, then it's not a grounded outlet and it should not be used. Do not use adapters. Do not remove the grounding pin from the power cord. If you're plugging the machine into a power strip, make sure that it's actually grounded back at the wall outlet. If you're using what appears to be a properly grounded outlet, you may want to test it and make sure it's wired correctly. These circuit testers are very inexpensive and available from most hardware stores. Simply plug the tester into the outlet and look to see that the light pattern corresponds with correct. If it does not, notify the property. They should have an electrician diagnose and correct the problem. So again, this isn't something that should necessarily be your first step in troubleshooting a problem. However, you should be aware that it's important and it can cause symptoms that don't go away simply by replacing parts in the machine. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.